Bonjour, everyone! Welcome back to TTC Film Production Channel, your go-to guide for travel tips and cultural insights. Today, we're exploring the City of Light, Paris. But before you pack your bags, let's talk about the 10 things you should absolutely avoid doing in this beautiful city. So, let's dive in. Paris beckons with its romantic charm, delectable pastries, and world-renowned museums. But even in this enchanting city, a few missteps can leave you feeling flustered or worse, facing the dreaded Parisian side-eye. To ensure a smooth and delightful Parisian adventure, keep these 10 faux pas in mind. 1. Unlike bustling New York subways, the Parisian metro is a place for quiet contemplation, not impromptu picnics. Save your baguette and croissant for a park bench or cafe. Keep your conversations and phone calls at a low volume. Blast your tunes for your own ears, not the entire carriage. 2. Parisians prioritize style and sophistication. Save the beachwear for the Riviera and opt for chic, well-put-together outfits, even for casual outings. Ditch the fanny pack and neon sneakers. Blend in with the locals by opting for understated elegance and neutral tones. 3. Bread is a staple, but don't cut it with a knife. Tear off pieces with your hands. Finishing your plate is a sign of appreciation. In Paris, it is generally considered polite to finish your food, as leaving food on your plate can be seen as wasteful. However, attitudes toward finishing food may vary depending on the setting and the company you are with. 4. While many Parisians speak English, learning a few key phrases like bonjour, hello, merci, thank you, and s'il vous plaît, please, goes a long way. Even with limited French, a smile and a willingness to communicate can overcome any language barrier. The easiest way to start a conversation with a Parisian is to talk about the weather. A simple phrase like "Quel temps magnifique?" What a beautiful day, will do. 5. Many shops and restaurants close for lunch between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. Plan your outings accordingly. Most businesses are closed on Sundays, except for major tourist attractions and some cafes. 6. While Parisians may exude an air of romance, PDA, public displays of affection, is generally reserved for private moments. Save the passionate makeouts for a secluded alley, not the Champs-Élysées. Public displays of affection, including kissing, are generally accepted in France. However, it's important to be mindful of cultural norms and to be respectful of others while engaging in public displays of affection. 7. While Paris is generally a very safe city, unfortunately it's also home to a lot of scammers preying on tourists. Most scam artists operate in the more touristy areas of Paris. Be mindful of your belongings in crowded areas, especially tourist hotspots like the Eiffel Tower and Arc de Triomphe, Notre Dame, the Louvre. Always use licensed taxis and book tours through reputable companies. 8. Paris is filled with charming parks perfect for enjoying affordable picnics. Grab a baguette, cheese, and wine, and soak up the Parisian atmosphere. Many museums offer free entry on specific days or hours. Take advantage of these opportunities to experience world-class art without breaking the bank. 9. Paris is a city to be savored, not conquered. Take your time, wander through charming streets, and linger over leisurely meals. Put your phone away and immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and smells of this captivating city. 10. Parisians appreciate polite behavior. Be courteous to everyone you encounter, from waiters to fellow pedestrians. Familiarize yourself with some basic French customs and etiquette before your trip. Showing respect for the local culture will make your experience much more enjoyable. And Parisians love good food and wine. If they ask for your recommendation, don't be afraid to share your knowledge. But be careful not to come across as too know-it-all. If you know anything about French films, books, or artists, you're likely to pique their interest by talking about them. But if you're not confident in your French pronunciation, it's best to stick to simple topics. And there you have it, folks, 10 things you should definitely avoid doing in Paris. Now that you're armed with these tips, go out and enjoy the magic of the city responsibly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more travel insights. Until next time, au revoir.